Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm showcasing the Folio Touch from Logitech. This is a brand new keyboard case with trackpad, high precision trackpad, and it has the smart connector technology. This is the one for the iPad Pro 11-inch and the new iPad Air 4th Gen. So as you can see, there's no way to attach it on the keyboard, so what they've done is they've created this flip-out kickstand, and it's adjustable for different angles. So there you go. So you get more keyboard space, and you can adjust it to whatever angle you want right there. You have the high precision trackpad right here. Very nice touch and feel. It feels like glass is on top, and it has the clicky button feel as well. These keys are very nice. There's a slight indentation in each key, so touch typing is very easy with this. Here is the smart connector. That's why it's iPad Pro and iPad Air 2020 compatible. And then you have your camera slot here, so you can still take photos with this case on. Now when you're done with this kickstand, that's what they call it, it magnetically connects to the case itself, like that. And then here's what this side looks like. We like this material throughout. It's completely covered in this material, and the buttons for the iPad are still accessible, as you can see here, plus and minus volume right there. And then you can also put your Apple Pencil in right here. So this is slotted open for the Apple Pencil 2 that attaches wirelessly or magnetically to your iPad Pro and your iPad Air 2020. This is the Folio Touch from Logitech. Has backlit keys as well, so we like that also. Here's some more quick details about the product. You can pause this video anytime and take a look at and read what you'd like. So there's iOS shortcuts and iPad OS shortcuts as well with this case. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up.